In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view issue history in Jira. If you've ever opened a user story or bug ticket and wondered who changed the description when the priority was updated or what exactly was modified, Jira makes it easy to trace those changes. Having a clear history helps your team understand how an issue evolved over time and gives you a reliable record to reference during reviews, debugging, or planning. Let's walk through it together. First, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira Cloud site. Sign in through your organization's Jira workspace or through the Atlassian login page using your own account. Once you're on the main dashboard, open the project you're currently working in, then select the specific issue, task, story, or bug ticket you want to review. This will open the full issue details panel where all the key information for that item is stored. Once the issue is open, look down the page beneath the main description and core issue details. You want to find the section labeled Activity. This area contains the running timeline of updates connected to the issue. And it's where Jira keeps a record of actions and changes. In the Activity section, you'll see several tabs, typically including Comments, History, and Work Log. Click on History. As soon as you do, Jira will display a time-stamped log of changes made to that issue. This gives you a chronological audit trail, which is especially useful when multiple teammates have updated the same ticket over time. Now let's talk about how to read what you're seeing. Each entry in the history shows who made the change, when it happened, which field was changed, and the old value compared with the new value. So if someone updated the status, reassigned the issue, edited the description, or changed the priority, you'll see that information clearly listed line by line. This makes it much easier to confirm what changed and avoid guesswork. If you only want to review changes to one specific field, such as the description, there may be a faster shortcut. Hover near the upper right area of the description field and look for the history icon next to the edit option. If it appears in your Jira view, click it to open a focused history view for that field only. That can save time when you don't need the full issue log. Before you finish, take a moment to scan the history entries and make sure the change details are visible and easy to read. Confirm that the names, timestamps, previous values, and updated values are all showing correctly so you can validate the issue's audit trail with confidence. That's it. You now know how to check issue history in Jira and review changes like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.